Good evening, Ann. Yeah, hello. Ang una kong tanong, how do you feel? Kasi, alam mo, nakaka-enjoy ka kapag nanonood kami, nagtitiktok kami, lumalabas yung mga parang bloopers mo or yung mga, anong feeling mo na because of that, ang dami din napapasaya?
It brings me so much happiness. And knowing that I'm able to make someone smile, someone laugh, it brings me so much happiness. Minsan dahil sa pagkalutang ko na nakahappy yung mga tao. So, okay lang, to more lutang moments.
Oo nga. Okay, then, nakita namin yung support mo kay Jasmine.
Yes.
Especially recently yung sa Stars on the Floor,
Yes,
di ba?
yes.
Ayan. So, kumusta yung kumbaga yung sisterhood ninyong dalawa?
So good. Of course, she's always gonna be my baby. Kahit hindi na siya baby, baby ko pa rin yan. Di ba? Kahit rest day ang Sunday, hindi. Punta tayo ng GMA to support sa, di ba, laban. I'll always be her number one supporter talaga. As an ate.
Okay. And palagi ka natatanong about Dahlia, of course, but you and Erwan has been together for how many years na nga? Since mag-jowa pa lang kayo.
Kung mag-jowa pa lang, parang more, parang 15 na yata.
Grabe,
Oo,
diba?
mga ganun na yan. Oo.
So yung 15 years na yon, kumusta na yung dynamic nyo ngayon as a couple and at the same time as a parents?
We're so chill. Alam kong nag-trending siya recently dun sa video niya, di ba? Ganun siya ka-chill. And I need a chill person to my crazy. So I think kaya kami nagto-compliment kasi sobrang magkaiba kami. So it works.
Nag-aaway pa ba kayo? May mga ganun pa ba? Di ba sa
Hindi
couple?
kami nag-aaway ng away talaga, pero syempre yung inisan, normal yun. Diba? Yung socks mo, isulit mo sa laundry basket. Diba? Yung mga ganyan lang. It's really mga silly things and it's very normal in any relationship.
Pero yung couple time na nagagawa niyo pa rin yun. I mean, paano yun?
Oo, pag nag-date night naman kami, kaya naman.
Ano naman yun. And my last question, and for 29 years, what it is that you are most grateful, career and personal?
I'm just so grateful that I've had people supporting me throughout my career. I've never had a strong fan base. Wala akong, ano ba tawag dun? Wala akong fandom. Wala akong ganon. But sobrang grateful ako na hanggang ngayon, may mga sumusuporta sa akin, may mga nanonood ng movies ko, people follow me on Instagram, people watch my shows. Diba? Parang, thank you. Kasi wala akong fandom eh. But I'm grateful na merong mga sumusuporta sa akin throughout the 29 years because if not for that, I wouldn't be here. So I'll forever be grateful to all those who even follow me on Instagram, on social media, to those who watch my mall shows, to everyone who watched my sold-out concerts.
Yeah, so...
Sobrang akong grateful and thankful that they've been part of my journey. And I think it's also because they've grown up with me. Because I've been in the industry since I was 12. So we all grew up together. So sobra akong nagpapasalamat.
Bonus question, Ann, anong reaction mo dun sa naging answer ni Erwan kay Mateo? Dun sa interview nila?
Sabi ko, very good. Very good siya sa akin. I was just so happy, and it's a conversation we've always had. Even when I asked him, like, do you mind? And he was like, no, it's fine. This is your job. So it's great to be with someone who is so open-minded, who understands that this is my job, and supports that. Nanonood siya. Ang nagpapa-award lang talaga yung mga tumitingin sa kanya kapag merong kissing scene or whatever. Pero other than that, sobra siyang chill. And you know what? I think it's also, even in the Philippines, dati super conservative tayo, di ba? Pero because of all the streaming platforms, nakaka-watch na sila ng iba't ibang bansa, ng iba-ibang series from different countries. People are used to it na. Hindi siya na parang, oh my gosh, may gantong eksena. Wala nang ganun kasi exposed na lahat ng tao ng the different shows on the different platforms.
Okay, thank you, Anne.
Thank
Congrats.
you. Salamat. Okay, thank you.